1, our project is about fire prevention in electric vehicles. Nowadays, there is a rapid increase in usage of electric vehicles, but people are unaware of usage of electric vehicles, which causes fire accidents and losses of many people's lives. So, in order to prevent it, we made a project using some sensors so that we can save the lives of people and ensure.
Nowadays, due to increase of pollution or increase in technology, many people are preferring using of electric vehicles in cars or two-wheelers. So many of them are willing to buy those two-wheelers and electric vehicles. So sometimes it may be overheated and get damaged, or fire accidents are taking place frequently. So in case of preventing those fire accidents, we are doing such project which will be helpful for each and everyone who are using electric vehicles. So our main intention is to no one should suffer with the problem of that fire accident. That's why this is our project which will be helpful for everyone.
Root cause of the problem. The problem at hand is occurred of fire accidents in electrical vehicles, which poses a significant threat to the people or passengers and the surrounding environment. These accidents may be caused by various factors, including overheating of electrical components of the presence of flammable materials.
The proposed solution for the problem identified is lead fire prevention, which is based on two different sensors, which is one LM35 and other sensor is IR flame sensor. The LM35 continuously monitors the temperature of battery and informs the user regarding the changes in temperature of the battery. And flame sensor works on particular location. When the flame sensor detects a flame, it indicates the Arduino, and with the help of Arduino, servo motor gets instincted, and with the help of servo motor, we are triggering the nozzle of fire extinguisher, and we are putting out the fire if in case fire takes place. And when it comes to intimating the user regarding that changes in temperature, with the help of GSM, we are intimating user if in case the temperature increases of certain limits, and even if in case fire takes place, it will put out the fire and intimate the user. Existing solutions. Basically, there are three existing solutions, which is thermal liquid-based coolant, BMS, and TMS. BMS continuously monitors the temperature of the battery and says that which compartment of the battery should be utilized now. And when it comes to TMS, it continuously monitors the temperature of the battery and efficiently uses.
Existing solutions they are very costly and high maintenance is required compared to our project. And conceptual design. In this project, we used flame sensor, LM35 temperature sensor, and a buzzer. This is the Arduino, GSM, and the fire extinguisher. Servo motor.